In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the autosave feature in Google Forms. If you've ever worried about losing progress while someone is filling out a form, this is a useful setting to know about. In Google Forms, autosave helps preserve a respondent's progress automatically. But there's one small detail in the settings that can be easy to misread if you're not careful, and that's what we'll clear up together. To get started, open your form in Google Forms. Make sure you're opening the actual form as the creator, not just viewing it as a respondent, because the autosave control is managed from the editing side of the form. Once the form is open, look along the top area for the settings option and click it. After that, you'll be inside the main settings for the form. Here, Google Forms groups options into sections. So the next thing you want to do is find the presentation section and expand it. If it's collapsed, click on it so you can see the available choices underneath. Inside the presentation section, look for the option labeled Disable Autosave for all respondents. This is the setting that controls whether people's progress is saved automatically while they complete your form. Now here's the important part, and this is the setting I mentioned at the start because it can be a little confusing at first glance. To make sure autosave stays enabled, you actually want the Disable Autosave toggle turned off, which means it should be positioned to the left. Since the setting is phrased as disabling autosave, turning it on would do the opposite of what many people expect. So if your goal is to allow responder progress to save automatically, leave that toggle off. That's really all you need to check as the form creator. Once that toggle remains off, respondents can benefit from automatic progress saving where Google Forms supports it. As an extra tip, it's always a good idea to review your form settings carefully before sharing the form, especially if it's long or contains multiple sections. Autosave can be especially helpful on forms that take more time to complete because it reduces the chance that someone will have to start over if they leave and come back later. If you're filling out a form instead of creating one, autosave may also depend on whether you're signed into your Google account. But for creators, the key place to manage it is exactly where we just looked, the presentation settings inside your form. And that's it. You're all set. If this helped, hit the like button and drop any questions or tutorial requests in the comments below. Subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.